Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to download Fabric for Minecraft. First we head to fabricmc.net, which you will be able to find in the description. Now we will click on the download button. Now we can find two different buttons, download for Windows and download Universal Hard. This depends on your system. Because I'm using Windows, I will choose the Windows download. But if you choose the Universal, the process is the same, so you don't have to worry. Now to install the Fabric, we will find different options, and we will be using our Minecraft, so we will select client. Here we can choose different types of versions. I will be using the last one, and make sure you have the create profile. We'll click install. Our Fabric is already installed, so we will have to go to our launcher. Once our launcher loaded, you will be able to find here that your Fabric loader is correctly installed. If for any reason you don't see this installation, you can just make a new one. You just look that you can find it here. We just select it, we create it, and we're able to have our Fabric loaded. Now we will have to launch the game, so all the folders and files needed of the mod will be installed. We can just now close the game. We don't need to do anything more. Now we'll head to the next link I have in the description to download the Fabric API. This is the last version right now, so if there is any other new version, you will be able to find it here. The last one right now is 1.21, so I will download it. On this file now you will have to go to your mods folder to find it easily. You can just go to the launcher, installations, and you will just click this folder button, and it will open your Minecraft folder. Over here you will be able to find your mods folder, and here we will be dropping our Fabric API. Now that our Fabric API is installed, we will now launch Minecraft to check everything is working correctly. As you can see, Minecraft launched completely fine, so that means our Minecraft is ready to install any other mods we want. So that's everything for Fabric. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.